Hey Spurti, what's the book you're reading?
Oh, this book is about our history. I'm reading about today's special event, National Flag Day.
National Flag Day? What's that? Is it like Independence Day?
Not really, but it's somewhat similar and it's still important.
Oh, then when it is celebrated?
I'll explain all about that. India observes National Flag Day on July 22nd, and this was for the commemoration of the adoption of the national flag by the Constituent Assembly of India 1947. It is not widely celebrated like the Republic Day or the Independence Day, but it too holds importance in India's journey to become a sovereign country. It was adopted just few weeks before the British rule and the independence from it.
Now, let me tell you the importance of National Flag Day. On July 22nd, 1947, the Constituent Assembly under the leadership of Dr. Rajendra Prasad adopted the design of national flag based on the flag of National Congress. This flag symbolizes India's struggle, its unity and diversity, and the values of truth, peace, and justice.
The Indian national flag has evolved through many different stages to reach its final form. Today, we are going to represent the different versions of the Indian national flag.
As you said, there are different types of flag, right? Can you name
there
them?
are. Yes, the first one is the first national flag, also known as the Calcutta flag.
The second one is the Berlin Command flag.
The third one is a home rule flag.
The fourth one is the Swaraj flag.
The fifth one is the 1931 flag.
The sixth one is the current national flag.
First national flag, also known as the Calcutta flag. It was adopted on August 7th, 1906. It had green at the top, yellow in the middle, and red at the bottom. Green had 8 white lotuses, and yellow had Vande Mataram written on it, and red had the moon and the sun.
The Berlin Command flag, date 97. It was unflowered by Madam with Jackie Kama, Stuttgart, Germany. Its design was similar to the 1906 flag but with some changes. Saffron on the top, yellow in the middle, and green in the bottom, with some symbols like full sun and crescent moon.
The third flag was the home rule flag. It was adopted in 1917. It was used by Annie Besant and Gangadhar Tilak in 1917 during the Home Rule movement. Its design has green and red stripes, the Union Jack in the top left corner, sun and the crescent moon in the top right, and 7 stars representing the Saptarishi constellation.
The fourth flag is the Swaraj flag, adopted in 1921. It was designed by Pingali Venkaya and later approved by Mahatma Gandhi. This tricolor flag consists of the colors white, green, and red, with a spinning wheel in the center. The red represents Hindu, the green represents Muslim, while the white represents other communities. This flag symbolizes India's independence and unity.
The fifth flag is the 1931 flag. It had saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom, with spinning wheel, also known as chakra. It was adopted as the official flag of Indian National Congress and used as a symbol of protest against British rule.
The current national flag, it was adopted in 1947 by Pingali Venkaya. Saffron on the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom, with the Ashoka Chakra in the center.
It's fascinating, isn't it, about how much our history and meaning are packed into every part of it.
Yes, it truly is. It represents our diversity and unity.
These little details makes me respect it even more.
So, let us always remember to respect our beautiful Tiranga.
Happy National Flag Day! Jai Hind!